But I finished the website a little while ago at this point. Ads are set to go up tomorrow morning, but here's the product page for the bees necklace. I know I'm selling a pretty good product. And also, clout is definitely not free. For the first ad, it's going to be on a TikToker who's a female, has around 60k fans, and she agreed to do the advertisement in return for just getting the bees necklace for free, which I mean, that's quite the deal. He agreed to put up a post on TikTok and also put a link in his Instagram bio for 24 hours, all for $50, which I mean, considering that he has 400k fans, that's good. And 3, they both use copyrighted music in their TikToks, and both of the TikTokers already received their product and made videos for it. Welcome back. It's currently a little past 10. I know I wanted something to do with jewels or jewelry in the title, and the ads that have gone up this morning have been up for around 14 hours. Before we do that, I want to actually go over a couple of things about advertising on TikTok. I think the biggest problem with advertising on TikTok right now is that the majority of the audience is just too young, so they don't really have much buying power. So with a business like dropshipping where you work of impulsive, immediate conversions, you're gonna have a pretty hard time doing that on TikTok. However, if you're not running ads specifically for immediate conversions and instead, let's say you're running a brand awareness campaign, then TikTok would be the ultimate form of guerrilla marketing, because I mean, you can get the word about your brand or company out there for a super cheap price.